Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome to day 15 of our 60-day health transformation journey. Today we're exploring different types of yoga for flexibility and relaxation. Yoga is an amazing practice that not only improves flexibility, but also promotes relaxation and mental clarity. Let's look at a few different types of yoga you can try. First up, Hatha Yoga. It's great for beginners because it focuses on basic postures and breathing techniques. It helps build strength and flexibility while calming the mind. Next, Vinyasa Yoga. This style links breath with movement in a flowing sequence. It's a bit more dynamic and can be a good cardio workout, improving both flexibility and endurance. For deep relaxation, try Restorative Yoga. It uses props like bolsters and blankets to support your body in restful poses. It's perfect for stress relief and gentle stretching. Yin Yoga focuses on deep stretching and holding poses for longer periods, targeting connective tissues and joints. It's excellent for increasing flexibility and releasing tension. Exploring different types of yoga can help you find the perfect balance between flexibility and relaxation. Give each style a try and see which one resonates with you. Thanks for joining me on day 15. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video where we'll discuss the benefits of a balanced workout routine. Keep practicing and stay flexible.